Have you ever wondered how ancient humans survived sickness long before hospitals, before doctors, before medicine, or even before they knew what germs were? Imagine living in a world where a simple cut, a fever, or an infected tooth could mean death. So why didn't humanity disappear? How did our ancestors survive for hundreds of thousands of years? The answer is far more fascinating than you might think. Today, if we get sick, we take medicine, visit a doctor, or go to a hospital. But ancient humans had none of these. No antibiotics, no vaccines, no pharmacies, no ambulances, only nature, their families, and their own bodies. Yet somehow they survived. Not every time, but often enough to keep the human species alive. So what was their secret? Scientists believe that the first line of defense was the human immune system. Long before civilization, our bodies were already fighting millions of invisible enemies. Every virus, every bacteria, every parasite forced humans to evolve. The weak immune systems often didn't survive, while stronger ones were passed to future generations. But biology wasn't their only weapon. Ancient humans rarely lived alone. They lived in small tribes. When someone became sick, others could gather food, protect children, and keep the injured person safe. Survival was a group effort. Archaeologists have even discovered ancient skeletons with broken bones that healed completely. Some individuals survived severe injuries for years after the accident, which suggests someone cared for them, fed them, protected them, and waited for them to recover. Compassion may have been one of humanity's oldest medicines. Nature also played a surprising role. Many plants contain chemicals that fight pain, reduce fever, or kill bacteria. Even today, chimpanzees, elephants, and other animals sometimes eat specific plants when they become sick. Scientists believe ancient humans likely learned the same behavior by observing nature and through generations of experience. But sickness was still terrifying. A simple infection could spread quickly. An infected tooth could become deadly. A deep wound could attract dangerous bacteria. Many children never reached adulthood. Life expectancy was much shorter than today. Yet every epidemic made surviving populations stronger and more adapted to their environment. Then something unexpected changed everything. Humans discovered fire. Fire didn't just provide warmth, it cooked food, killed many harmful parasites, boiled water, produced smoke that drove insects away, and made living spaces safer. One simple discovery quietly improved human health forever. As human societies grew, knowledge grew too. People began recognizing which plants healed wounds, which foods restored strength, and which places made people sick. Without writing, this knowledge was passed through stories. Parents, hunters, and tribal elders for thousands of generations. Slowly, human survival became less about luck and more about shared wisdom. So, the next time you recover from a cold, take medicine for a fever, or clean a small cut. Remember this: your body carries millions of years of survival. Inside every immune cell lives the legacy of ancient humans who fought sickness without hospitals, without antibiotics, and without knowing why they survived. They survived because of nature, because of community, because of adaptation, and because the human body is one of the greatest survival machines ever created. The story of medicine didn't begin in a hospital. It began around a campfire, with people refusing to give up. And perhaps that's the reason you're here today.